been attendance of witnesses. Here I'm 8 months in service. I've been formerly from Chitugu, but I've seen the attendance of witness here is so low, but I'm told the geographical location of the place, we extend up to Achana, and we also have witnesses coming from Agago. So transport distance has been difficult. Sometimes the seasons when it is raining, my Lord, our witnesses are peasants, they are really in farms. But we are trying to get on the radios and say, please come. Prosecutors per se cannot make a case unless you people come on board. And we have also told them that when you make a statement, you have to follow. We cannot just tender your statement. You have to come and explain to court. We have also, and we still have, my Lord, and I know it is everywhere. I hope if I don't get an opportunity to say something, our biggest challenge is manpower. We are 2 young him against 4 judicial officers. Along per day 2, at 1. We have Atang, but I'm told Atang goes to Bagisu. But my Lord, we are reclaiming for him because he's part of us. So it would make 5 against 2. I personally have 2 in per day. He has 1, but chief comes.
Why are you claiming for Atang?
My Lord, Atang.
I thought you said the place is so big. So if they take away Atang, then it becomes so.
My Lord, it's our station. I don't know how, maybe the civil part of it, but the criminal part of it, surely Atanga belongs to us. So on one occasion, my colleague finds himself in the G1 patrol, the chief from Ade coming, and I'm told the district officer from Karong also comes to conduct his business from here. I think he has no prison and prosecutor. So on a given day, usually Tuesday, he has 3. Of course, I'm also left behind with 1. And I also do appeals, I do high court, administrative, and then public complaints. We are overwhelmed, my Lord. But this is the same song elsewhere, but I won't stop running our own drum here. I know elsewhere it's the same song, but we are also beating our drum here that we surely need more staff. I have whispered somewhere that EPP is recruiting 100. Please do all you can to get us like 5. Thank you.
I ask you what? To get you 5 for where?
But they may take 2, Patrón may get 1, Kalomo 1, Achanga 1. Where else? From the beginning. From the beginning.
Kalongo, Patongo, Pade, Atang, which has got the biggest caseload? Which place? Maybe you don't have it.
Pade is leading. I have the records here. My Lord, I don't know if I'll be given time to present our report.
Yeah, of course.
But we are leading, and then followed by Paton, I think Kalon, and then Atang.
Then how do you find there is the notion? I have heard people saying about my courts all over the country, people talking about prosecutors. People think if somebody has been granted bail, he has paid you, he has paid the magistrate. I'm sure you like this. How do you handle that so that they know it is not corruption? Nobody has been paid. People out there, they think we are paid for an accused person. Now you are telling me witnesses do not count. And when witnesses do not count, the accused person is acquitted. And people will say my magistrate was bribed, the prosecutor was lackluster. How do you handle this together with the boss?
My Lord, we are victim of circumstances because complainants and perhaps suspects and their relatives skip to our office to put their complaints. But we have told them, and I remind them, that bail is constitutional for a court, you people have been in the courtroom, and you have seen accused persons applying. Some are even represented by the lawyers, and bail is granted. There are terms and conditions. They go to the bank and pay money. Honestly, if it is not easy to put that cover that perhaps the police officer or the prosecutor has taken money, it is really not true. But I've seen at the end of the day, parties will always want to attract attention. I just have to tell my people here that they will always, people come up and say, now that they have given bail, they're on his side. And the other side also will all say, now that they have not given. So, my Lord, when we are this side will say we are being compromised.
But no, the solution to me lies in advocacy. Concentrate a lot on advocacy. Go to radio, find the smallest opportunity. The RDC has come to an area, you've not been invited. Let them know you want to say what. When there is a gathering, you explain, look, we know people are saying there is this outcry. The truth of the matter is this. Then people begin to understand. Then the elites in the area will now go down and say, oh, I think some of our complaints are not true. But if you do not seize the opportunity of the, say this is a town council, the mayor is meeting their people and here, let's tell the mayor what to say, well, use as a forum to let people know so that you can debunk this case, because it is very strong. Some are real, some are perceptions. But you have to get rid of the perception that someone who is being granted bail, someone whose case has not been prosecuted, so you see, it's not even prosecuted, the file has died. That's how they use that the file has died. So you need to explain to them the justice process that you have the duty. You don't go to the court for the sake of going to the court. You have the duty to satisfy yourself that this case can proceed. And where you say the case cannot proceed, call the complainants and explain why you are not going to court because of this. And when you don't speak, they really speak that about us. And we must go out to explain to people what it is. Others, thank you for I don't know about you getting 5.
My Lord, even if they are added, you see, as I said, I hear whispers their side, but for us, we are hitting our drum so hard. And I know you, my Lord, you have the means to really do that to us here. The numbers, our distance, all the circumstances don't really help these people.
You give me too much power.
But my Lord, I know you will have access to somewhere that we can really get those offers.
That would be good. Actually, the Commissioner General of Prison, I talked to him, and I think we are agreeing on a temporary solution. I'll give the example of Agagwa and Atanga. The magistrate in Atanga cannot handle criminal cases unless he comes over. So the solution will be prisons to build a holding prison, small, so that the magistrate in Atanga can hear criminal cases and you are kept there for a few days, maybe a week. When the transport at the prison is coming to pick prisoners, they bring those whose cases are that way, either mention or hearing some arrangement that you have somewhere where the prisoners have been kept, like prison officers. That will be for Atanga, that will be for Kalong, so that the magistrate in Kalong can also hear criminal cases. Doesn't have to come. Okay? But with government things, you know, this is the ideal we want. But I don't know where we can achieve that.
My Lord, we have the pleasure to present to you a gift organized by the Office of the Director for Public Prosecution.
pin here. No, you can't. The photos are here? But, okay, you want to capture the CR pinning
yes.
my pics. Now I'm truly Ugandan.